Here I took 500 grams of cubed chicken, small onion finely chopped, a lemon, 1 cubed onion, cubed capsicum, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and 1 cubed tomato, 3 whole red chili and a pinch of kasuri methi. Here are the masalas: salt as per your taste and quantity, turmeric powder 1 small teaspoon, red chili powder full of 1 teaspoon and garam masala powder 1 teaspoon. Take a pan or tawa, put some oil on it, add the kasuri methi and fry it well. Fry it well, add chopped onions, fry the ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt and saute it. The garam masala powder and red chili powder, cubed tomatoes and cook for few minutes. After few minutes, I will add the chicken cubes on it. Lemon juice and we'll mix it well. Now it all mix it well. So let the chicken cook. Make the gas simmer and close it with a lid. Okay, now the chickens are tender. We will add the cubed onion and capsicum. The whole red chili and cook for more few minutes. I have added some water in this to mix it all well and keep the gas in high flame. So now I will add some garlic leaves freshly chopped on it and lemon juice and turn off the flame. And now our chicken tawa masala is ready. You can also come to our channel with your unique recipe. Contact us bhuribhojbongfoodies@gmail.com. Thank you for watching.